Mom, Dad, I don't know why, but my room suddenly feels dull these days, even though nothing is actually wrong with it.
That's probably because you've been looking at the same arrangement for months without changing anything.
Even a nice room can start feeling ordinary when everything stays in the same place for a long time.
Maybe you're right because my bed, desk, and shelves have been exactly where they are now for almost a year.
Then why don't we rearrange the room today and give it a fresh new look?
Honestly, that sounds like a great idea because I've been wanting a change for a while.
Before we start moving furniture, let's decide where everything should go.
I want the room to feel more spacious and comfortable than it does right now.
Then we should remove unnecessary things first because clutter makes any room feel crowded.
A little planning now will save us from having to move everything twice later.
Looking around the room, I can already see several things that I don't really use anymore.
That's exactly why organizing should always be the first step.
I can't believe how much dust was hiding behind the furniture all this time.
That's what happens when things stay in the same place for months without being moved.
Wait a second. I just found the notebook I thought I lost last year.
Cleaning a room often helps people find things they forgot about.
I also found 2 missing pens and an old family photo.
That's much better than only finding dust everywhere.
Wow, I never realized how heavy this bed actually was until we started moving it.
Furniture always feels much heavier when you're trying to move it around the room.
Let's place it closer to the window because the natural light will make the room feel brighter.
I already like how it looks from this side of the room.
The room suddenly feels more open than it did before.
Sometimes one simple change can make a surprisingly big difference. Your desk is covered with old papers, notebooks, and things you don't even use anymore.
I kept telling myself that I might need them someday.
That's how clutter slowly takes over every room.
I can't believe how much free space appeared after removing unnecessary things.
A clean desk makes studying and working much easier.
It also makes the whole room look more organized.
Do you think I should keep all these decorations on the shelf?
Not all of them because too many decorations can make the room look crowded.
Sometimes keeping fewer things actually makes them stand out more.
Maybe I'll keep my favorite books, a small plant, and a few family photos.
That sounds like the perfect balance.
It will look neat without feeling empty.
Where should I place this chair now that we've moved everything else?
I think it would look nice near the window where there's plenty of natural light.
You could even use that corner as a comfortable reading space.
That's actually a wonderful idea because I enjoy reading in the evenings.
It also makes the room feel more balanced.
The room is starting to look completely different now. The room looks much better already, but I feel like it still needs something.
What about adding a small lamp with warm lighting near your desk?
Soft lighting always makes a room feel more comfortable and welcoming.
I never realized how much lighting affects the atmosphere of a room.
It can completely change how a space feels.
Sometimes the smallest details create the biggest impact.
I honestly can't believe this is the same room I was complaining about this morning.
It feels cleaner, brighter, and much more comfortable now.
And the best part is that we didn't buy anything new.
That's what surprises me the most.
Sometimes using what you already have in a better way is enough.
A little effort can completely transform a space.
The room looks wonderful now, and I'm really happy with the result.
I agree. It feels like a completely different room compared to this morning.
Thank you both for helping me because I definitely couldn't have done all this by myself.
You're welcome. Working together always makes difficult tasks easier.
And it's much more enjoyable when the whole family helps.
Today I learned that you don't always need expensive furniture to make a room feel fresh and new.
Sometimes organization and creativity are all you really need.
And a little teamwork never hurts either.
From now on, whenever my room starts feeling boring, I'll try rearranging it before thinking about buying anything new.